It was back in the 40s in the Spanish southeast when, from the hands of the harvester and master miller Mariano Muelas, Los Dos Caballos Paprika first came into being. The company soon became nationally known, thanks to the extraordinary milling and quality of its product, a product grown and dried in the sunny fertile soils of the region of Murcia. Today, this very same producer still exists, but nowadays not only produces paprika, but all types of condiments and preparations. Today, Los Dos Caballos has radically changed course and has been reborn as Doscadesa, a company which is a leader in the research and development of functional blends for the food industry. What, however, is really behind all this change? What was it that brought the company to go from paprika to all and everything? And most important of all, what exactly is this all and everything? Let's take a look. Different applications of paprika in the production of sausage brought Los Dos Caballos to focus its efforts in the world of meats, and the company began to develop specific varieties not only of paprika, but of other spices and condiments. As time went by, the high degree of specialization the company had acquired brought about the incorporation of new technologies and qualified personnel, and this in turn opened up the way to the creation of new products for specific application in the meat processing industry. This same intellectual and technological innovation is what has made it possible to open up new developments beyond the meat processing industry, thus bringing about new services for technical advising and the engineering of formulations and processes oriented to respond efficiently to the specific needs of each client. In other words, what is really behind this change is none other than evolution, an adaptation of the product to the market and to its tendencies. Two areas, Doscadesa Meat Processing Research and Doscadesa Food, fruit of the same progression marked out from beginning to end by the increasing competitiveness and the demands of the food industry. And here we can appreciate one of the main competitive advantages of Doscadesa. While the majority of companies that supply functional ingredients are offering closed and established products, in Doscadesa we offer a personalized labor through a group of food technologists and a very complete pilot plant, all at the service of the client and at no additional cost whatsoever. And this is how we reach the all and everything, which is to say, the exact formula capable of providing a specific set of organoleptic and functional properties for any type of product, thus creating unique food products. And because of this, we are able to categorically state that in Doscadesa, we aspire to become the R&D department of our clients, a department which has been accredited by the maximum standards of quality, a department fully knowledgeable of an industry in which continuous communication with the client until the exact product has been obtained, whether or not it already exists, is paramount. A department, in short, in which any product is possible due to an enormous specialization in obtaining subtle differences which, in the end, make all the difference and mean success. After long years following its creation, Doscadesa continues its journey with an eye to the surrounding reality. Doscadesa was, is, and will continue to be present. A natural evolution founded on confidence and faithfulness towards the client, and motivated by the offering of an open product and a flexible business model. A business model which is scalable and with a horizontal department structure capable of expediting decision-making and reaction capacity. This particular way of understanding the industry, together with its marked vocation towards exportation, have made it possible for Doscadesa to already be present in a dozen countries all over the world. And most important of all, after 7 decades of history, Doscadesa continues to evolve day by day and shows no signs of stopping. Subtle differences make all the difference. DC, Doscadesa, R&D of functional blends for the food industry.